In earlier days, design was a hectic process for the people associated with it, like draftsmen, designer, and other labor. This in turn consumed a lot of manpower and time. With the introduction of new wave in computer-aided designing, designs have been made easier like never before.
If we discuss about the product development, we cannot skip the process flow, which consists of drafting, 3D modeling, analysis, and manufacture. Now, drafting is the very initial step of every product development, where we modify, create, and annotate to the 2D views. The 2D views are the drawings that we create, then our step up to the 3D model.
Catia stands for Computer-Aided Three-Dimensional Interactive Application,
which offers a solution to shape design, styling, surfacing workflow, and visualization. In this, you can create, modify, and validate complex, innovative shapes.
American corporation PTC has introduced Creo, which is specialized in solid and rigid modeling and large assemblies. Creo can easily manipulate any solid model design with its programming feature. It can effectively manage large assemblies with its exceptional tools like flexibility, shrink wrap, simplified representations, and lot more.
Solidworks will give you a solution for your solid modeling mechanism and workbench.
Which a very user-friendly CAD software has been developed by Dassault Systems to see its photorealistic rendering. With it, Solidworks provides you a lot of options to do various kind of motion and mechanism study.
Siemens developed a PLM software for modeling, analysis, and manufacturing, which are named as NXCAD, NX Nastran, and NXCAM respectively, which is very flexible to work on any sheet metal components.
After the completion of modeling, what will be the next? Surely, it would be the analysis. Ansys Workbench platform is the framework upon which the industry's broadest and deepest suite of advanced engineering simulation technology is built. An innovating project schematic view ties the simulation process under structural, thermal, fluent, and CFX. NX Nastran, which is a finite element solver for stress, vibration, buckling, structural failure, heat transfer, acoustics, and aeroelasticity analysis.
Place to develop your skills and to have good career is Caddcentre Jayanagar.
It is an authorized training institute for all the softwares, 100% quality and standard training, 100% job oriented program, and it is approved by NSDC, NASCOM and ISO, and finally it is an MSME partner.